guys, transmission fluid that we're going to be going back in with. Full synthetic 5W30 transmission oil. And as you see, this little puppy right here is the new transmission cooler. That's the old one right there. Trash. But yeah, guys. And just so it's clear to some of you guys, that is the compartment that I was standing up in to remove the transmission cooler that sits on the other side of the chassis, which is right here. Sits on the other side. But that is the easiest way I was able to find to be able to service this thing. So I basically came in through the bottom, came out through there in front of that canister, and was able to stand up in this area here and lean over the chassis there, like so. So if you're doing this at home, guys, to save some money, I don't blame you. That's why we do what we do. We don't got no money. So yeah, guys, that's how I was able to access the transmission cooler. All right, guys, time for some unboxing. So go ahead and get this thing cut open and see what comes inside. So it's so hard to open boxes when you're trying to record. Looks like it comes with some instructions. Instructions, as y'all can see, transmission cooler. Now guys, this is the Eaton Fuller transmission cooler. OEM, and as you can see, the extras it comes with the hose adapters if you need those. I don't know, and I don't believe that we will, but we'll have to see. And it comes with the new hardware, and as you can see, the new cooler. But looking at this old one, I don't think we're gonna need those hose adapters, so that'll just be some extras we'll be able to put away for ourselves. They're goodies. We'll end up using them one day. As you can see, it comes with the reducer, hose reducer, and the piece of hose. So that'll come handy for something at some point for us, you know that. Guys, so I'm gonna go on and grab the bolts, grab the cooler. Grab my ratchet, because we're gonna go in through the bottom, boys. Taking y'all with me. That's how we did it. So we're gonna go in. And y'all gonna see how this is. So let's get it. Put y'all down for a second so we get the rolling. And then, as you can see, here's how I do this. There's a will, there's a way, boys. So, turned around here. That's where we're going, right there in that area right there. So
he's just trying to find a place to mount this, where the mounting holes are on the transmission.
I think it's right there.
Get the bolts started here. So he got them started, now he's just tightening them down, guys. So the heat exchanger is now mounted.
It's time, guys. Now it's time to hook up our transmission lines, like so. So, it's the first one. These are 1 inch. If you don't remember, that's the size they are. 1 inch wrench. Got that one mounted. Come on here. Mount this one. And they're both on. So now we'll just get those tightened down and move on to the next step.
Alright guys, so he's hooking up the last 2 lines, which is the coolant lines. They're right here on the end. Just gotta get that on there.
Get that on there better.
Gotta get a little closer, guys, and then he's done.
There you got it. All done.
Alright, now the transmission heater exchange, transmission cooler, whatever you want to call it, it is mounted and installed. So now we got to put new oil in the transmission and flush the coolant system.
And just like that, guys, new transmission cooler installed. Got the lines. We've got the lines installed. The coolant lines, the transmission lines. We're ready to rock, boys. All right, you guys see it? We've got the hose going into, pause. We've got the, let me flip this. Y'all see the wife's over there with the bucket. She's got the pump. She's pumping away, as you can see. The hose is running all the way to the tranny where I'm sitting here holding it in there. Make sure it goes straight into there.
I think it takes like 3/4 of a bucket.
Alright guys, as you can see, it started to come out once we were full. So we're done with everything we need to do under here. Time to get out of here, guys. Alright guys, after flushing this thing numerous of times, we've got the water coming out pretty clean. What you see sitting on top is from the actual pan itself that's just dirty as heck. But everything that was coming out of the system is clear. So this bad boy is ready to be airlifted to Tom the Bomb shop, which is in Broadway, Virginia. He's a transmission specialist. I've heard nothing but good things about this guy. So, yep, not that you'll ever see this video, Tom, but if you ever do, shout out to you, brother. I know you've done my brother-in-law Billy some good. And I've heard nothing but good things about this guy, boys. So we are going to be getting a transmission replacement. We thought that we'd be able to just change out the transmission cooler and flush the system, and We were hoping that would do it, guys, but unfortunately, you guys know your boy's luck. It's always got to be, you already know, not the easiest route that I end up having to take, but oh well, it is what it is, guys. It comes with the game. So yeah, we are going to be having to replace our transmission. We're going to be going in with a Eaton Fuller 18 speed. So yeah, boys, that's what's going on with Max. We tried, wasn't able to save him this time. So just sitting here waiting for our boy Steve to pick Max up and take him away to Tom the Bomb shop. So I'll get you guys a few little clips of our man Steve when he gets here. Those of you that follow the channel, you've seen Steve before. He's the one that rescued me when the trailer took a nosedive up here at the supermarket near my house, where I park the truck and the trailer sometimes. He's the one that came and rigged the trailer back up into you know, level ground, and I was able to hook back up to it before anything worse happened that happened. But yeah, guys, I'll get you guys a few clips when Steve gets here, and yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you're not subscribed, go on and smash the subscribe button, and go on and smash the like button for me as well. I'll be back with y'all here shortly. All right, guys, and there you see it. That's the new transmission that we're going to be putting in the Max, 18 speed, loaded up on a pallet, ready to go to Tom the Bomb's transmission shop. Tow truck is here. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you all. God bless you all.
We made it, guys.
Until
Here.
next one, boys. We out.